Children of Yahweh,
Yahweh, Yahweh, your race.
Yeah, we are Jews. All praise be to the Most High. Came first to the ones they forgot. So-called black in the land of the lost. Dead mind in the cage, then it popped. When I heard that name, whole chain came off. Yeah, Yahweh been Yahweh, first son walking. Script in his mouth, real truth, not talking. Put us out the gutter, out the chalk lines. Said kings don't sleep in a small mind. From the projects to the promise, from the chains to the comments, from the label they gave us to the tribe that we all say.
We are
Judah,
stand up. We are Judah way.
lift us up, from a dead mind to a crown mind, from the back road to the bloodline.
We are Judah hands high. All praise Yahweh.
Most High, children of Yahweh.
So say
Judah stand,
Judah stand.
Judah stand. Yeah.
Unafraid.
He taught moral codes, gave us backbone. Charity in action, love in the map shown. Science of the universe, stars in the map. Said the kingdom in your heart, not a trap on the app. Judah light bright in the concrete. Hebrew Israelites in the front seat. Quantums of the earth and beyond that. Made the hood see their worth, can you dawn that? From the trauma to the Torah, from the rumors to the order, from you nothing to you chosen, to a mind wide open, yeah.
Stand up.
Just king of the earth, not a throne made of gold, but the hearts he turned warm and the souls he consoled. Ooh, children of Yahweh, rise from the ashes of a lie to the sky, to the shine, wisdom in the flow.